Okay, second question. When the sales tax is 17%, now see they have changed. Now they have not given rate. They have given sales tax percentage. That is 17%, and the cost price of a television set is rupees 30,500. Calculate the amount or amount the buyer will have to pay. So we have to calculate the amount the buyer has to pay. Students, here you have to add, it is not only amount, it is the amount of sales tax. Okay, they had given 17% of sales tax. It means you have to calculate the amount of sales tax. So please make correction. It is amount of sales tax the buyer will have to pay on the television set. Like this, you will make the data. Cost price is given to you of television rupees 30,000. Sales tax rate is also given to you 17% amount of tax. I hope you will easily form the formula looking back in question number 1. What will be the formula? Amount of tax is equals to then sales tax percentage of cost price, like this. Okay, and I hope you will calculate yourself. I am not doing 17 upon 100 multiplied by cost price. You will write 30,500. Please consider this as numerator. Denominator there is 1. You do not need to write I am writing just because you do not make mistake. This is numerator value. Okay, do reduction and bring the final answer and write your answer in the form of statement. The amount of tax the buyer has to pay on the television set is equals to dash. Okay, calculate it. Now I am doing third question. Okay, see question number 3 now. Mrs. Zishan paid rupees 24,600 as property tax. Now see there the wordings again change, which is property tax. If the value of the house is rupees 2,46,000, what is the rate of property tax? Now you have to calculate rate of property tax. This question is little bit different, so look carefully the video. Okay, listen carefully to the lecture. In this, amount of property tax is given to you, house worth is given to you, rate you have to calculate. In the previous 2 questions they had given you the rate amount. ठीक है, कितनी रेट की परसेंटेज थी, that was given to you. But in this question they are asking you to calculate. So one thing you have to remember, whenever they are asking you to calculate rate amount, keep in mind it is always in percentage. Rate amount or sales tax percentage is always in the form of percentage. Okay, now formula it will be little bit different, and this you have to learn. Okay, though this has been derived from the first formula only, but here we have changed the places before and after equal to, so you have to learn them. If you have to calculate rate percentage, then rate of property will come before equal to. Equal to amount of property you will write in the form in the place of numerator, upon house worth you will write down, means the original price of any commodity. For instance, if I would ask you to if I would have given you the cost price of television, then it would have come over here. Okay, then if I have given amount of tax to you, it would have come here. Okay, I am telling you that also so that you know how to make the formula or how to make changes in this formula also. Multiply by 100. Okay, in previous question if you look back, this amount of tax we were calculating, this thing we were calculating, but in this question they had given you this thing, so you have written this thing in numerator position. Then this was also given to you in the previous, this was the actual thing we were calculating in the previous question. So this has been, sorry, I said something opposite. This was given in previous question, this we were calculating, and this was also given in previous question. So now let's look back. If we have to calculate rate of property, we just have to fit in this formula. Amount of property tax is what? 24,600. House worth is given to you, which is 2,46,000. Multiply by 100 will come over here. This is again in numerator position. It means it can cancel denominator. So 2 zeros cancels from here, 2 zeros cancels from here. It will come 1za, and this 0 is left, 0 will come up. So rate of property tax is 10%. You can write in the form of a statement, Mrs. Zishan has to pay property tax at the rate of 10%. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Next question.